They are so fun, y'all. Alright guys, we're gonna go look at our birds and see if we find any more eggs. They're all hanging out. Hi guys. Hey. Gonna hang out? It's okay. Alright, we're gonna go inside. Hopefully they don't plan to fly away. I thought one of them flew. Alright. It looks like they know us pretty well now. I'm gonna have to tear this apart, and do something else. They like hanging out around me, as you can see. There is the little one. Hopefully I don't step on you guys. And this little one is so chill. Come on. You don't want to come? On my hand. Come on. Come on. And let's peek. Do we see any egg? No eggs on this one, but we're gonna go check the one all the way on the front on this top here. I'm gonna have to climb up. Hopefully it won't break. Sorry guys. I know. Alright, so we're gonna peek and see. Y'all better not eat the egg. I do see there's a little one, but we're gonna open this, and so we'll have full view. Wait, did they get rid of the egg? No. Y'all cover the egg. Where is the egg? No. Y'all know there was an egg inside. And why did y'all cover the whole thing with this crap? Who ate the egg? It better not be y'all. I don't know where it is. What? There was 2 of them. Ain't no way. It just gone, y'all. I think someone ate it. Kẹo low. Man, I think y'all ate the egg. Not good. Y'all do not behave. That's the problem. You hear me? I'm gonna have to build them a more house. Cause if y'all remember, a couple of weeks ago there was 2 of them, and somehow they are no longer there. So I'm gonna try. I don't even see. No, it's not here. It cannot just vanish. No other animal can go in here either. So something is wrong. I'm gonna have to do some investigations. All right, they know I'm gonna feed him today, and I've been wanting to hand feed. I can't open this thing. Y'all, I cannot open. Okay, let me pause the video for a second. All right, I am back. So we've been teaching them hand feed, okay? And so I'm gonna ask and see if they can come up. Okay, here we are. This is what we've been trying. They are so fun, y'all. It looks like other birds, they do want to come over, but we are slowly training them. Yeah, enjoy it for now. I mean, this two little one don't want to come yet. There's a few more somewhere else. Let me lift my hand up to see if they would actually fly. Guys, they are so good. Come on, white one. Let's go. Easy for you. Right here. There you go. Oh, they're all coming now. Wait there. Oh yeah, 엄마. There we are. See y'all next video.